the biggest productivity hacks that have served me in my life. By far, waking up early to begin work, number one. Number two, not having any meetings until noon.
Mm-hmm.
If someone just did those two things, like if you wake up, I don't start working at 4. I'll probably start working around 6. So I'll wake up at 5, have a cup of coffee with Layla, hang out, whatever. At 6 o'clock, I start working. From 6 to noon, it's like I get 6 hours every day of moving things forward. And it's like the deep work, in my opinion, that gets the ball rolling, that makes things happen. And then I still have to put out fires the second half of the day. But that, like, Jerry Seinfeld had 2 hours every day that he blocked for writing. And his one rule for that habit was that he didn't have to write, but he couldn't do anything else. So he's like, I can sit there bored, but I can write or I can do nothing else.
Non-compromise.
Right.
Every day.
And so I think to that same degree, it's like I usually know what I have a list of like 2 or 3 things that I put the night before. And then like, that's what I try and get done in those 6 hours. And sometimes it's a big thing. You know what I mean? Like finish book. Like, okay. You know what I mean? But it's like, all right, what do I need to do tomorrow? Like, I'm going to fully edit this one chapter. Great. That's the big, like today it was fully edit this one chapter, create cash flow projections for an investment that we're going to make and pencil out different scenarios. And then there was a third thing I did, but I did that today. And then I edited the book, right? And so those are the things that I did this morning. And then I came here.
Do you pre-plan your day the night before?
Not in the way that most people. I mean, like I literally have like an email to myself that has the 3 things that I wanted to do.
Okay.
And I don't like say like it has to be 3. If it's just 1, it's 1. Yeah. Oh, and I made 2 new forms for the landing page that I wanted to test out.
All prior to jumping on this podcast today.
Yeah. But that's it. I mean, like that's it. And sometimes just one thing. I just want to make sure that I have something that I'm going to be working on. Otherwise, I just feel like I waste my morning, and I don't like that.